Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Anita, hello everyone. My name Kurniawan Trinugroho with the standard number V0120030. In this video, I will try to explain the translation strategy in the text Burj Khalifa. Okay, let's go. In the first sentence, the Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building. I translate to target text with Burj Khalifa adalah gedung tertinggi di dunia. I use established equivalence and pure borrowing. The translation quality is 3, 3, and 3, all 3. The second sentence is the height is staggering 8 to 8 meters, 2716.5 feet tall, soaring over Dubai. In the target text, tingginya mengejutkan 828 meter, 2716,5 kaki, menjulang di atas Dubai. I use translation strategy established equivalence and literal. In the word mengejutkan and pure borrowing, Dubai. The translation quality is 2, all 2. And the third sentence is, it's 3 times as tall as the Eiffel Tower and nearly twice as tall as the Empire State Building. In the target text, tingginya 3 kali lebih tinggi dari Menara Eiffel dan hampir 2 kali lebih tinggi dari Empire State Building. I use established equivalence and pure borrowing and use variation. The translation quality is all 3. And the fourth sentence is the next sentence is light end to the end. Light end to end, its piece stretch over a quarter of the way around the world. In the target text, diletakkan ujung ke ujung, potongan-potongannya membentang lebih dari seperempat jalan di seluruh dunia. I use established equivalence and variation. The translation quality is 2, 2, and 2. The next sentence is, its cloud-piercing height is certainly one of the most impressive facts about Burj Khalifa. The target text is, ketinggiannya yang menembus awan tentu saja merupakan salah satu fakta paling mengesankan tentang Burj Khalifa. I use translation strategy established equivalence, pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa, and the variation in nya. And the translation quality is all 3. Okay, next to second paragraph, the first sentence is, Burj Khalifa facts that you can truly applaud are its sustainability and reuse of resources. In the target text, fakta Burj Khalifa yang benar-benar dapat Anda tepuk tangani adalah keberlanjutan dan penggunaan kembali sumber dayanya. I use translation strategy established equivalence and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa and variation in nya. The translation quality is all 2. The second sentence of paragraph 2 is, every year 50 million gallons of water are collected sustainably. And the target text, setiap tahun 15 juta galon air dikumpulkan secara berkelanjutan. I use established equivalence and linguistic amplification in the word secara. The translation quality is all 3. The next sentence is, the water is used for irrigation to water the landscaping and plants, for the cooling system, and to supply the Dubai fountain. In the target text, air digunakan untuk irigasi untuk menyirami lanskap dan tanaman, untuk sistem pendingin, dan untuk menyediakan air mancur Dubai. I use established equivalence, literal, in menyediakan air mancur Dubai, and pure borrowing in word Dubai. The translation quality is all 2. Next to third paragraph, the first sentence is, some Burj Khalifa trivia about the elevators is the building has the longest single running elevator, which is 140 floors. In the target text, beberapa hal sepele Burj Khalifa tentang lift adalah gedung ini memiliki lift tunggal sepanjang yaitu 140 lantai. Di sini saya in this sentence I use established equivalence, reduction in the word the and running, and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa. The translation quality is all 3. The next sentence is, the Burj Khalifa elevator speed is 10 meters per second, making the elevators among the fastest in the world. In the target text, kecepatan lift Burj Khalifa is 10 meter 10 meter per detik, menjadikannya lift tercepat di dunia. In this sentence, I use establish equivalence, reduction in the and among, and pure borrowing in the word Burj Khalifa. The translation quality is all two. And the next sentence is the Burj Khalifa elevator time to reach the observation deck on the 124th floor is only 1 minute. In the target text, waktu lift Burj Khalifa untuk mencapai dek observasi di lantai 124 hanya 1 menit. In the sentence, I use establish equivalence and pure borrowing in the word Burj Khalifa. The translation quality is all three. Next to fourth paragraph, the first sentence is one of the most mind-blowing Burj Khalifa fact is how much the material weight. In the target text, salah satu fakta Burj Khalifa yang paling mengejutkan adalah berapa berat bahannya. In this sentence, I use establish equivalence, variation in-nya, and pure borrowing in the word Burj Khalifa. The translation quality is 3, 3, and 3. The next sentence is to put things into perspective, the weight of the concrete is equivalent to 100,000 elephants. In the target text, sebagai perbandingan, berat beton itu setara dengan 100.000 gajah. I use establish equivalence and the translation quality is all three. The next sentence is the total weight of aluminum used on the Burj Khalifa is equivalent to that of 5 A380 aircraft. In the target text, aluminium yang digunakan Burj Khalifa seberat 5 pesawat A380. I use strategy establish equivalence, reduction in total, and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa and A380. The translation quality is all three. The next sentence is besides the building is designed to resemble the Hymenocallis flower. In the target text, line itu puncaknya seperti bunga Hymenocallis. In the sentence, I use establish equivalence, reduction in design, variation in the wordnya, and pure borrowing in Hymenocallis. The translation quality is all three. And the last sentence is the central core emerges at the top and culminates in a sculptural spire. In the target text, inti pusat muncul di bagian atas dan berpuncak pada puncak menara yang terpahat. I use establish equivalence and literal in the word berpuncak. In the translation quality is 2. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if there's mistake or anything. Thank you.